Alright, welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you the Gotv Uganda customer care representative's number. So if you are to activate a new Gotv decoder, or you are having some difficulties on your Gotv and you would like to contact them for help, the number will be highlighted on your screen shortly. But if you are to make some inquiries about the Gotv product and services, they will not ask you for the IUC number. But anything related to your Gotv decoder, they will request for the IUC number of your decoder. So before trying to call them, you need to have your IUC number before you're gonna call them for help. So with the IUC number, they normally place some stickers at the back of your decoder which have the IUC number or the smart card number of your Gotv. So you check it. If the number have fade off or you can't find any sticker on your Gotv, all you have to do is to pick up your Gotv remote, and then you look for the Gotv logo, which is the green button on your remote. You press OK. You press on the Gotv button, and it's going to take you to the menu. And from the menu here, use the arrow top and down keys, and then look for Information Central. You press OK on it, and here first on the list we have the IUC number of your Gotv decoder. That's what they're going to request from you for them to actually help you out with any problem that you're having related to your Gotv decoder. And whenever you call, you need to actually have enough airtime before calling them for help. And if you have the Uganda DSTV number, is the same as the Gotv number. DSTV and Gotv are part of multi-choice product and services. So if you are to contact the Gotv customer care representative or the DSTV, is the same as the multi-choice number that you have. So any number that you have, whether the Gotv or the DSTV, whenever you contact them, they're going to help you out with any problem that you are having on your decoder. And before you call them, you need to have enough airtime. They will deduct at a normal calling rate, so you should be aware of it before you try calling them. And they don't normally work on weekends, so usually on Sundays you are not going to get them to help you out on anything. So call them during working hours for them to help you out with any program that is related to your Gotv decoder. So that's it. If this video has been helpful and you are new here, all you have to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, you share the video on other platforms, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.